Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how to separate video layer and audio layer in CapCut PC. First of all, you need to open the CapCut PC on your device and drag your video into the timeline. To separate the audio, right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Extract Audio that you will find between Isolate and Save Video. As soon as you click on that, your audio section will appear just below the video. You'll have a separate audio and video tracks. This lets you use the audio in the other projects or remove the sound from the video. Note that the speaker mentions a limitation in the free version of CapCut, but this may not apply to all users. And after extracting the audio, you can edit the audio and video independently. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.